18 concerning traffic report, newspaper review, and we don't enter the letter. For that letter, what we tell us is yesterday say one reason that is the letter versus OBJ and GEJ. As they told the name, they rhyme together, and yeah, the letter now and I'm the Igboza for the matter with the ground this morning now. So say one guy, no sir, call us from Canada, they provoke, say, how person could just sit down for us, write 18-page letter. He called it bad for me, he called it wonder me, say, oh, now we're there for Nigeria now. All the time I say, jump on top this matter on top Facebook and Twitter. I mean, follow us reason. Call us on top 012954343. It come be like say, now they look say we they play for year, but no shaking. I hear you now. I never they provoke this morning, but the provocation will soon start now because we get one serious guest for the house this morning. One of us want shook mouth on top this matter. If I never say we want shook mouth, we don't shook mouth on top the matter. The man just follow the train, come the man with your car on top. All of us we just continue from where we stop this morning. Dira the diva, and your spirit they do you on top this matter with the grand this morning.
Na serious matter, 18-page letter, na serious matter, no be small thing. And
then
the whole of Nigerians they provoke on top the matter. Okay. So we just hope say, just no provocation, we want action, make Nigerians. Another thing, maybe say make Goodluck Jonathan reply the letter because you know if you reply, we go know waiting get for mind because waiting you get for mind, there for your mind now we never know waiting get for your mind.
Then tell say Dira if you rush, shook hand for hot soup, ready for fire, ready go burn you so. Now only you not go shout. People don't go follow you shout. The future tell you sorry. So yes, to rush reply that letter not be the original idea. Well, una the one that say why news not come since morning. Now because say the man they warm up for another matter entirely. This letter matter who they shook my pull. So if you check well before another 2 seconds now we go not on 3 for this share, which means say Big John or DT about CAC. You know say that man, no they use all this kind of matter joke.
I tell
man,
you.
He tie rapper for side the matter.
They always provoke on top the matter.
You call join us for top the matter. No. Join us, all of us go shook man on top the matter. And of course our chairman himself did the house, Don Pedro Baseki, himself writing your reply letter. When he come here this morning, we go ask us, oh God, what thing happen? Because some people could just wake up, write. Some people, if you read this particular letter, you're going to say Jonathan need this particular man, so to help and reply. If you never feel reply that letter, we OBJ right give him. Well, at the joke, but at the same time, not the joke this morning. The letter, if you read and where our president, former president, accused the new president of so many things, like how they train snipers, like how him they settle the matter for PDP, come hand them over to our president, make it continue. Our president not will continue. If they ask questions, say why. And of course, when I know the way the matter be, Big John don't show face this morning. Big John, traffic for Lagos.
If you worry, boy, this matter, it don't enter another level.
I tell you.
Not be small thing. Yes. Today, this matter will go reason now in the way when we say we go dig enter the very bottom of the matter. Come bring the truth come out. Come bury every lie when they inside. And so we go do it today. I be Dira, what do you think?
And I support you. Trust
you.
Me.
You get where you don't support.
No. Because I dey provoke.
Confirm.
I dey provoke on top of this letter.
For who?
So,
for who?
Well, you go find out as they go.
All right. You know, say when you enter boxing ring, they go talk say to my right. The man we did and I don't fight, it don't kiss like 15 people for the boxing. Well, for my right, now Tekwene, don't show face now Tekwene, follow us CAC for the long seat where they follow the reason. For my left, now our chairman himself will come join us now. But before he can join us at Tekwene, you don't go through this letter.
For sure.
Just to make you summarize waiting our former president Obasanjo they try talk. Waiting they try talk for the full letter.
You see, the way I see this letter,
yes.
It be like say whether Baba Yabo they expect too much from the man.
Yes.
And the way me I see the matter, yes. Like say they expect too much
from the man. Okay.
But the man not called they
deliver.
They deliver according to his own personal expectations.
Okay, according to
Obasanjo personal expectations.
Okay.
So the man not called they reach that level.
Yes.
So he called look and say okay.
The best
and according to what he write here, say in the past he don't write like 3 letters
when
before.
The man not reply.
And the man not even
reply.
Yeah, and the man not even give an excuse why he not reply. He never hear any, get any response. So now the way me I see the matter be that.
To you now, he did write first of all. See somebody like Obasanjo go write 3 straight letters give Jonathan. That is if not write and give him bang. The man not reply. To you he did write abi.
You see, anybody if you write, you should get a write letter
yes.
to your president.
Confirm.
You understand? So whether he did right or he did wrong, he did right. He's a citizen of this country.
And they ask whether as Jonathan no reply, whether he did right for her not to reply those letters where Obasanjo been right given.
You see, I remember in those days when we did for school, secondary school, small boy that time.
Yes.
The teacher say for letter writing, when you write letter go meet somebody, the person go reply.
Bam.
When person not reply your letter, he not dey right. And so the teacher also
and the man never acknowledge whether he see those letters.
that na another thing.
In fact, we dey come there for this. We come there because
That na another thing.
Obasanjo accused so many people wey dey follow Jonathan, but you no really dey call their names. Just dey call them the devilish aids, satanic aids.
Yes.
Na wetin he called most many of them for the letters. And which means say some people not be everybody just dey carry talk. This man know wetin dey talk from the letter wey he no guess. You understand? Yes, he no guess for the letter. But before we go reason that matter too much, our chairman, that is Don Pedro Obaseki himself, right? Before we even enter Obasanjo, okay, no, we good make we talk the main thing before we can enter his own. Yeah, he reply and why he reply the letter like that. I beg, make una join me. All of us, if we stand here, I'm not going to see our head again. If not, all of us will stand up this morning. Here, this great Nigerian and world leader, let me call him personally. His name now, Dr. Don Pedro Agbonifo Obaseki. Good morning, sir.
Now, good morning.
Well done, sir.
Should I be the show now?
Now the show now, now good morning show.
You know why you Nigeria, una good morning.
Yes.
Every una good morning.
Yes. Oga, we know say as you did now, because anybody will know your record, you know say by this time, either you know the Nigeria, or you dey Abuja, they do one thing, or you dey Kaduna, you dey one place. Now for you to come show face this morning, say this particular matter, say you want chook mouth on this matter, which means say the matter means something to you. So generally now, waiting this letter, we Obasanjo write to our president mean to you?
When I first see the letter,
Yes.
you know, my first reaction what did happen for you?
Yes.
Who they fight to?
The normal worry way.
You know, what did happen? Who they fight to? You know, just like say you are your papa the house.
Yes.
The next thing, your tenant or maybe somebody when you're there outside your come they tell you the voguing when your body vogue for you.
For you, yes.
Meanwhile, you dig well for me come out.
Yeah.
Hope me say una dey book
that day.
Now and I say wait a minute. Secondly, I look the letter again. I say this will not be letter when somebody read they forget.
Yes.
Particularly because Nigerians they will be raised when get very short memory.
Confirm.
Anything once we just enter one thing, the next thing happen, we'll forget the old song.
The old song, confirm.
You know, now with the country when we say everybody they sing one song. Now nobody remember Yahoo now.
Confirm.
You know, now yesterday, but only 2 years ago, 3 years ago.
90 song.
The band now, I hear from one of our program say it don't they become all coming.
Confirm.
So that is the nature of our country.
Yes.
I read down the third time, I sit down, and I say, if you scratch body, the way the body scratch you. You will pee your skin.
That's right.
So and I look am, I not talk. I just well, like letter, like Etekone talk before. John say, everybody get right to write letter.
Yes.
Not be you get paper.
Now you get
Now you get better. Now you get within your brain.
Now you sit down.
Bam. If you not write the letter, you know, nobody will know within your mind.
Yes, confirm.
Benin people, I'll speak Benin here.
Yes.
I'll translate.
Yes.
Say Amazediagui.
Yes.
I am in Oregbeko.
Okay.
If two friends not they sometimes quarrel, they not go know where the other one own friendship get come back. So they need to be quarrel sometimes.
Yes.
But when the quarrel come turn to the one when we say they tear cloth for public. Now be careful matter.
A lot of fight.
No, that one now war. You get my point. And this kind of people not be normal people.
Exactly.
Yes. Bible don't talk say they not be normal people.
Normal people, yes.
Proverbs 3:16 say, every ruler on earth governs with my help.
Yes.
Princes and noblemen alike. Anybody when don't be king, na God send am. Whether the person can't do anything, God send am go do.
Or not.
Obasanjo
talk for the letter too.
If Obasanjo and Jonathan,
yes.
There be people when wear two left leg.
Confirm. Okay.
You get my point?
Yes, sir.
So because now the juju when catch Jonathan.
Yes.
Now I catch Obasanjo.
Yes.
Because now who drum for the juju and the juju when they drum for, they be one, they be the same. You get my point?
Yes, sir.
So that one is very, very, very important.
Okay.
When I look the letter the fourth time, Now when I see reply or one small press statement from from Dr. Reuben Abati, and when I see what Reuben Abati write,
yes,
what Reuben Abati write, pay me now only one page.
yes,
He pay me pass waiting
Obasanjo
right. He pay me because it just shows say, you know, let's say the person tear your cloth,
yes,
for bedroom with the bath. Madman, your rush con the bathroom, There are those kind of outside bathroom,
yes,
you know, bathroom now.
Bathroom, yes.
Somebody your tear come madman, you take your wrapper and your towel, tear is come out, so be your body.
Cover.
You now, you tear is for long.
Now.
You dey holla me, give me my cloth, give me my ring. Who dey craze?
Now they push madman.
Thank you. First of all, madman they mad.
Yes.
They don't know.
Everybody
They don't know confirm. The second part is he take wetin you take cover body.
Wetin turn you to normal person.
Boom boom. Because God don't tell say for life, better human being now food, clothing, and shelter.
Yeah.
You come up for your shelter, where you the bath. The man don't carry your clothing. You run follow am. No why you?
No, yes.
Naked like that.
Yes.
Who they go say Chris?
All right, sir. You talk of now Reuben Abati. You talk of now.
No, that one. I mean, that was, you say with my reaction.
Yes, the letter.
Now the levels be that.
Be that. And
So the final level, when I read that one, I say no.
Yes.
No.
Before we come back to this Obasanjo letter now, you talk of Reuben Abati.
Yes.
It just be like as you day now, where you get Pigeon TV. Now, where you employ us, we know say get some boundaries we will not go cross.
Yes.
When we cross those boundaries,
Yes.
you will punish us or not.
I go sanction.
This Reuben Abati, they represent somebody.
Yes.
So if Reuben Abati write wetin not correct, the man we suppose don't hear by now say Reuben Abati they don't punish her for one thing, which means say the man go don certify that thing when that man write before he print am out for public. Exactly.
You see, I tell you before, I tell you when I start.
Yes.
So if somebody dey drum,
Yes.
somebody dey dance drum.
Confirm.
When you dey dance when drum not dey,
Yes.
na Chris.
Confirm.
You know, dog not dey run pass you now. I say no one be that. I say no one be the dog to that owner again. Because now bad dog.
He want this owner.
He want this one. So not be owner again. And this owner, I want this owner. You know, I truly believe say, you see, the president not be. I just said, they will not be normal person.
Okay.
Nigerians when they think in a normal position or normal person, they know they feel and way. Now if you handle the thing well with all the pressure, you see, when you give person position, maybe you also agree, say, okay, this person will know how you go to handle certain things.
Yes.
You know, particularly when everybody believes in Reuben the media.
Media, okay.
I know Reuben since 1987.
Wow.
No, 85, sorry.
No,
I know Reuben since 1985 as a friend.
Okay.
You know, but and Reuben teach me in a way. I say teach me in a way, we say Reuben be youth corper for my department. He just finished. He made first class, University of Calabar. You know, he come my department, University of Benin, as assistant, as teaching assistant.
Okay.
So he helps on lecture. I mean, I did year 3 that time. Then when I enter UI, as I do my masters, Reuben is doing PhD. So we'll be friends, we'll be roommates. Me and Reuben too don't start newspaper together before.
Okay.
You know, so I know Reuben Abati. You know, I know Dr. Reuben Adeleye Abati. I know Irish House. You know, and but at the same time, the fact say you be commentator for newspaper, because that is basically what Timmy Reuben be that.
Okay.
It not make you a spokesperson. The time when Reuben dey younger, Patrick Obayagbo not sabi speak English.
Okay.
Are you getting my point? Now the level, you know, but and Reuben too, when we dey grow up, let me use the Marxist thing we thought that time. He was an angry young man.
Okay.
Some of us were angry very that some of us go jail that time for this we to talk.
Okay.
You get my point? So when I look at I see that thing. If na me be Reuben and good luck Ebele Jonathan, PhD, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, tell me Don Pedro Obaseki, PhD, a man of letters, a PhD in the written word, like Ruben. Ruben is one of the most intelligent writers. Not one of the people who don't write English pass for this country. Forget Shinka.
Okay.
If he tell me, say, go write this like this, I will say, Organo. I feel I achieve this same result if I not write am like this. Because now case of we won't kill rat when they inside pot.
Yes.
Now sense man, you go kill am with sense when we say you go kill the rat, you no go break the pot. Not be say you can't scatter pot, rat take off. Now be the thing for this letter.
For this letter,
yes.
okay. So let me say Ruben self get part to take for the blame.
I think the biggest blame for this letter, not vessel.
Yes.
Obasanjo write letter before now. He say nobody reply.
Yes.
He write another one. He say nobody reply. We don't know whether na true. Yeah. Now what he talk. Yeah, but for that man to just go talk all those kind of things for paper, either he dey talk true or something dey wrong somewhere.
Or the thing near true.
Near true. Yeah. The fourth one be this. He write on 2nd of December. By 4th of December, every newspaper person for Nigeria, all online, all of us get the letter.
Done.
Which means this letter, he not write am to Jonathan.
Okay, write am to the media.
He write am to the media. The letter is, he say, a letter of appeal to President Goodluck Jonathan. Me in my head, when I write my reply to Obasanjo, yes. I call him a letter to Nigerians against President Jonathan. Now it be.
Yes.
Because you know, go call me your friend naked me for public.
Confirm.
They say now your friend they tell you say your mouth is smell. Yeah. Your enemy go tell others. Say see if you worry boy, see John, see Dira, they are Martin, na latrine. Now it be this one so.
Yeah, but sir, if you check well, the man state am for there. Say him write 3 letters and this man no reply. Before he can finally write this 4th one. So you know think say because say this man, the person that wants to write give him no reply. That's why this particular man he write and say okay, make everybody see him say so that if you want when everybody don't see this letter now, maybe you go dey forced to now reply.
Okay. May I ask? The man still don't reply?
Never reply.
Okay. The could bureau still never reply. I dey go the last page of the letter.
Confirm.
The last page of the letter, after I don't sign Olusegun Obasanjo, he signed just sincerely. The second part, not write just sincerely. He said, please, PS, please note. You know, if you don't able to write English, write MB. Nota bien.
Yes.
I crave your indulgence to share the content of this letter in the first instance with General Babangida, General Abdulsalam Abubakar. May I speak on pidgin?
Yes.
I want to beg you, Jonah. May I send this letter to in the first instance? Me, I feel send them go other place for second instance. So
yes.
To IDB and to Abu Salami, who in the recent time, that is in the last few days now, don't also tell me say they have concern like the thing when me they write you so. I also want to beg you, may I give them to Yakubu Danjuma and to Dr. Alex Ekweme, who people when I believe say Nigeria strong for their mind. He said the limit of sharing the contents may be extended as time goes on.
Bam.
Bam. That's the thing. That is, I feel share this letter as time goes on to anybody. Unfortunately, in no way make time goes on.
Confirm.
Because right on the 2nd, me, Don Pedro Saro Agbonfo Obaseki, I get the letter on the 4th for my laptop from internet, which means on the 3rd, the next day, maybe Jonathan to never ever see him.
Yes.
You get my point? Because the thing now, what him cool the thing down, we say, fortunately for both of them, fortunately, I use the word fortunately, yes. Why did they Mandela come die?
God die.
All of us come say, okay, me the payment for the matter first. You get my point?
Yes.
So, that last paragraph for here, the last thing for here, shows say the man not get any intention at all
to write a
personal letter. This na person when be say Babangida use the man tell me, I do documentary on Babangida. He tell me say the best person when they play chess for this life, he name na Olusegun Matthew Okikiola Aremu Obasanjo, 4-star general. Wow. And that the only person when they fit manage sometimes beat am na Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida. So I get my point. Okay. So when I read the letter, I said something dey here. the issue when he did this letter, I mean we tell ourselves true.
Exactly.
Nothing did this letter.
Okay.
Forget the bag. What did the letter?
Well, a lot of accusations built on this letter.
Which accusation?
Chairman.
No, fire. I let you know.
Chairman.
Yes, sir.
I
know they defend Jonathan.
Exactly.
Yes.
I think say from my mind, truly,
yes.
apologies to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Yes.
Once you become president, it dey compulsory for all of us to have at least dobale for you first.
Yes.
Think first before we make any move, because every insult when you dey insult your president, you dey insult your nation.
Your nation, confirmed.
Because now the president na be the sole repository or that na hold the sovereign of the nation.
Yes.
So I no go fit curse my president. I no go fit open my papa no go bar so tey I tell am say daddy wetin dey worry you. You don't dey crazy. You don't dey pluck leaf. Na be this so. And not be age matter. Presidency not be person o. Not be person or say age or whatever. If na Odion wey dey for the pool for president, say na the oldest man for the town, for the village or for the country na go be president. So Obasanjo old age, e no mean anything for this matter. Because when he be president, people dey wey him senior.
Confirm.
When in the fit tell say my friend, it dey happen.
Confirm.
No be Obama hold power for America.
Not true.
And Jonathan become president when he be 53 or be 50,
yes.
52,
52,
53. Now Jonathan 57. 56 going to 57.
57.
So not be
by age.
Not be by age.
Okay.
Now that position.
Chairman.
Yeah.
Before we go climb for this matter, because as far as I dey concerned, we see the warm up. Before we go climb.
I already push here for this matter. But I'm not the only on the other side. But
no, so we go reach that level.
Okay, no why you.
Now, because they go back and front till we trash every detail of this letter.
Yeah.
The last part when you read for us, Obasanjo talk say, Ingo, this letter, they go Abdusalami place, this letter they go Babangida place, Ingo write to go on. Now, the question I want to ask is, say, Ruben Abati, what did Ruben Abati write? Can we say Ruben Abati reply based on what he see for media, be based on the fact say they receive letter for office of the president?
You don't read Ruben reply.
I never really read that.
Ruben no reply.
Okay.
You know, when you say reply,
yes.
Reply na letter na.
Yes.
You know, say letter. I write, you write to me.
Yes.
Pedro, you decrease. Don Pedro, your man don't die.
Yes.
Oh, Pedro, see you know. Then me I go come reply. John, Efe, Dira, see you, my mama no be. Me, I know the.
Yes.
That's why even if you write an email, once you write me email, the email go automatically. If I want to reply you, the email will automatically write ROE.
Yes.
Yes.
Replying reference to
yes.
that one. What did Ruben write? Now simply like a presidential comment of the presidency on the letter, not replying the content of the letter. He said for person of that nature, when he don't serve Nigeria before, he use some English, delicious, lack of decorum, the bagbo. He just saw the man. So they do you. Why you dey write like this? That's what they tell you, right? You be not be statesman. Why will you be? Why you be? You all don't pass. Make this for doing their own. Ruben not wrong. Because if you slap Pikin, you don't go hold him man make him not cry.
Yes, sir.
You get my point? Yeah. So the only problem, you know, the first thing I thought for you is say, if you scratch body the way it scratch you,
go pee
skin go pee. If I want scatter house, and I don't want make you bless, I want scatter house.
Yes.
Maybe I go saw all this corner of the house, I go saw small. People in the house, I go say the house is stand. Then I'll come pour petrol inside, or I'll pour petrol inside the house. May I see whether anybody will light matches. Petrol went in the house, matches, you know, we fire. Person get to light matches. Obasanjo let na petrol.
Confirm.
Ruben reply na matches. That's why I see him.
Yes.
And they say matches now.
Yes, sir.
If he write this letter, he full everywhere. Where would you assume? Jonathan no reply. He not talk. I don't even talk say I see letter. If I want be Juman for this matter, I say okay. The man don't whisper abi. We hear you. Actually, I not go reply. I not even at that level I want go.
Yes.
Now the moment because Obasanjo write this letter, now the day when Reuben write in short reply, now matter happen. Now everybody goes, they fight. If you write letter, the letter I write say you be my pikin.
Yes.
So if you read the letter first, may I verse you, not verse you.
Yeah.
I go read that for English and say I'll talk and make people also understand. Mr. President, now on page 1, oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. President, you have on a number of occasions acknowledged the role God enabled me to play in your ascension to power. You put me third after God and your parents among those that have impacted most in your life. If I read that one, I say, wait till this man right. I bet won't begin praising again. Make I talk now. Many times you don't talk say you know the waiting God don't use me do for your life when you become president. Say after God and your papa and mama when he born you, now me be number 3 for your life. So if I read that kind of letter now, this is what they talk. What you go talk himself? Obasanjo want look for roundabout or roundabout way to take praise the pikin again. I say I better delete. But the moment the other matter come, delicious, bochicious, grigbagbo, this president dey crazy. Who be he before? I carry the letter.
Read
I print am. With my own copy. Now I come realize now 18. I repeat at the guy the verse. 18 pages. Now I come sit down. Now I come read down. The only sweet thing for this letter, now His Excellency.
Finish.
From there go every other matter they talk for here. So the title say before it is too late. The truth of the matter, all don't late.
All right, sir, make we even enter the letter now. Because all the things we talk since now, everything happen around the letter, why the right time, all this thing. Make we even enter the letter now. Now, if you check one part of the letter there, the whole crisis, I think it starts when Obasanjo and Goodluck Jonathan and Amechi been get their own issues.
Yes. And
before you know, the thing enter PDP. Before you know, some governors come up for PDP. Now, from this letter, Obasanjo talks, say, in step into the case. Him resolve the matter. Say, and as then they hold those meetings overnight and everything, say in they tell our president how the whole matter they go. One after the other, how the whole matter they go. Now he can finally tell us, okay, this time here we don't stop. Even when they are still delegate people to finish that whole PDP crisis. He said the governors they can express their own part of the story. Say, see what with the fear, see what with the verse for, see what with the. He can tell President Goodluck Jonathan say, address these issues. This now waiting with the matter. This now waiting with the matter. Say, I think they try this letter now. Say, President Goodluck Jonathan no even talk for that matter. Now, what do you see to this allegation when this man lay against our president now?
You see, politician and politician.
Yes.
The first lie when you did this matter, first lie.
Yes.
We say everybody they think say Jonathan. Amechi fight.
Yes.
Now what they see.
Yeah, confirm.
A lie. You see, everybody. I want to quote Shakespeare.
Yes.
He say, loneliness is young, ambitious ladder. To be something, particularly when I believe, say, I feel be that thing past you when it be, now war. Then when me I go believe, say, when you went there down, so you they threaten me when they up. You get my point? Now another war. Particularly when we say we suppose come from the same, we come from 2 different rooms for the same house. Like we're supposed to be brothers. Or let's put it this way: Nigeria get 6 big rooms when they divide into 36 small cubic. Out of those 36 small cubics, we get different rooms. Now those cubicle now, I mean a cubicle. No big one like this. Those big rooms, when you get 6 cubicles, so one of the big rooms, now Jonah and Amechi come from. You throw stone from this one house, supposed to land for that one. Rivers and Bayelsa, they be the same state until just a few years ago.
Confirm.
They be brother. They drink the same water. They bath the same bath. So that matter, not even Obasanjo Joseph, not go fit solve. Okay. Because the PDP wahala wey dey Rivers State, not be today. To look am with small, with na lie. We dey here for this country, we not delay. Supposedly, they carry chieftaincy title for all over the country.
Yes.
I dey Abuja on that convention night. I no go forget that night, December 2010, when supposedly Odili dey win convention. Supposedly they stop voting. Supposedly they announced Yaradua. All of us, I go talk about public domain. I hope they keep busy. We some of us get speech when Yaradua supposed to announce somebody else as vice, who be the lead for the primary that day.
Okay.
You get my point? Only for abracadabra. Jonah don't know. The poor man not there. He not even dey inside that place. He become vice president. Now, the matter, he go back to the same state, Rivers State. Meanwhile, somebody when they say win primary for the same Rivers State, meanwhile now OBJ now Oga be president that time. Abracadabra, PDP not submit in name. Amechi, they not submit in name. Instead, Celestine Omeya, when not do the primary, now he go election. So Amechi na the first person for Nigeria when be governor when name not the election ballot. Because the court talk say the legitimate person when supposed dey that day na Amechi. Although now Omeya win election, Omeya cannot win election in his name. It must be in the name of the party. And the party must bring one person. And the person where the party must bring, not be say should bring, would have loved to bring. No, na matter of shall. They say the party shall bring Amechi. So Amechi become governor by default. You know win that first election.
Yeah.
You know contest. Talk they say one win. That matter still take grand drag. You get my point?
Yes.
Now they say two ram no fit drink from one bucket at the same time. They go lock. Yes now. For Okrika, Antipashi did there. You get my point?
Yes.
She na president wife. President wife for Nigeria be like assistant president.
Yes.
But we know say our constitution not get any role or mention
Or office.
For president wife. You get my point? Now he be the wahala. Two ran, one na governor of the state, one na the other one be say na she be the most important human woman for this country, which include that state. Now the wahala start that time. And when you don't begin fight man in wife, if you get wife now,
They fight the man.
just see somebody you call your house, they tear your wife slap.
Even man.
If your wife, you don't need the way your wife call and say, this man you dey craze. Then as you never carry call, you hear your wife say, the man tell your wife, madam, you dey craze, you dey craze. You just face the wife. You just face the man.
Yeah.
Now be the matter so. Now we dey suffer for the domestic inability of a few people to handle their own domestic problem. Come become state problem, come be national problem. So all those are making you when Oga talk for you. Now not be matter now. Now their own PDP matter. You're not supposed to make a whatever. PDP, all of us know PDP. Yeah. If PDP is smooth, this country, something they know with this country.
They tell you.
You know what I'm saying? PDP not dey smooth now.
Yes.
If you smooth, where would they fear? It's probably dey.
Okay.
As they fight, so you're the normal.
Confirm. Okay, so we will jump more that side now. Make we enter where the man start the main accusation for me. Talk say. He talk say when if you check now page 5 at day now.
Oh, page 5.
Page 5 for the letter. He talk say, sir, you know say they always call on your excellency.
Yes.
Mr. President.
Yes.
He talk say.
Na name that.
Yes. He say when you win this election, so
yes.
one of the issues where you raise from the beginning be say
for 6
years, which is 1 term.
Yes.
Saying believe him.
Obasanjo na liar.
So first you call the talk.
Wait, relax.
Okay.
I want first. I hear the pulling of share go start.
Go start.
Because I want push it. And they sorry for Jonathan.
Okay.
Because it was say I be Jonathan, Jonathan problem, be say he get good song. He not get sabi singer.
Sabi singer, okay.
You get my point? He get good dance for leg,
yes.
But they use caterpillar dance. Yes. Listen to this very one. This is a very simple issue. The fit get system for this country when the system not the constitution.
Not the.
Number one. System na in notion. He talk am na in notion. But the only person or people when fit change am na National Assembly. When Jonah first come, so I say I call am Jonah because they sweet for pidgin. Yeah. Jonah. When Jonah first come, you get my point? They begin say they want amend constitution. I remember 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 2011, wahala burst for Senate. Wetin be the wahala? Senate and House of Rep begin burst each other over who go be chairman of the committee when they go set up to amend constitution. Bam. They fight over that one for like 3 months. They go the place where they do the committee, the convention, the retreat. They say that vice president, Senate deputy president say na he supposed to dey lead. Deputy speaker say na me supposed to dey lead. While our boss dey tear shirt, they come back, nothing happen. They go back and front. Oh yes, subsidy enter. Wahala. Go. I say Nigeria will be raised with small memory. We know they remember. Yes. Everybody you forget. So yeah, he said when you won the election, one of the issues you very early pursued was that of 1 term of 6 years. Yes. That convinced me that you meant what you told me before your speech at the campaign. Before my speech at the campaign. So say it mean that. Yes. But unfortunately, the man, or let's be frank with ourselves. Yes. One person write for internet say, you can mention am for years earlier, say case of Keto. Yes. They call Port Black.
Na no south from Canada.
Oh, now you talk say case of Keto calling Port Black.
Black. Yes.
Me I know see Keto small, Port big.
Confirm.
Now case of Port calling Keto Black because we did this country. Me not be say we did this country. Yes. I dey work that time for Raymond Ali Odokwesi. We all know what happened. They go set fire for AIT for Abuja. Media for not cover that debate for National Assembly. Odokwesi order mobile transmission vehicles, OB, straight to National Assembly. May we hear this matter. You get my point?
Yes.
This third term matter. And I no go ever forget what things the Zidanjuma do that when he reach at home. All the senator from Ikonedo and ABC, Abia, Anambra, all those ones, even Delta, all don't support third term already until they reach Edo. The two men when be senator, I no go also forget them, Oyofo and Osumbo, Sarieme Osumbo. Don't already support until he reach the woman. Now he does say, I not see wetin I fit go tell my children tomorrow. Say my husband, best friend, that is Danjuma Yakubu.
Yes.
Now he want change constitution, make am 10. Now he scatter that life. Now that man wey they call him, God bless him, Ken Namani say, okay, probably vote aye, now I will take enter. If not, bros when they write also. If I do 3,
if I do
and Jonah for do no Jonah for every day because it doesn't do 3. Yeah, do and God don't tell who go when you want that God don't talk. Forget. Yeah, do for still die 2010.
Yes.
And bros OBJ go bury him. State burial. Then he go end 2011. Now if you give who we want give.
Yes.
And if you give who we want give, Jonah for not there.
For not there.
So maybe we just call it. So that one, when I look at it, I say no.
Yes.
You know, that will not be. Constitution not be matter of integrity, na matter of law.
Confirm.
The law of Nigeria states say a man can only run for election for one position 2 times and each term 4 years. Yes. Maximum.
All right. Okay.
Okay. I want to ask. What in Obasanjo write different things concerning the letter about PDP crisis, about oil bunkering. But it gets any part of the letter now where go affect Nigeria, where already affect Nigerians.
No, you see, what affect Nigeria in this place now? Corruption.
Confirm. Which
they go kill you good luck only if only he decide to fight him.
Okay.
You kill 8 people when they follow our car. Because this country, it full everywhere. It's a major thing for you. And for human being, when it don't be part and parcel of the corruption process. Because if Nigeria is a corrupt country, 50-something years, now within will be 53 years now.
Yes. Yeah.
Only you now be the only person who don't rule almost 12 years. Nobody for Nigeria don't rule 12 years.
In Tokan.
Nobody living or dead don't rule Nigeria past OBJ.
In Tokan.
So he cannot talk say no get hand for the corruption. Because not be me Fela sing.
That's true.
Fela sing song now.
That's true.
Not be this time.
That's true.
You see now old age now they affect Baba. Old days yeah, the old so all those old things must pass away.
Confirm.
Because if you look at we did this country 1976, 77, 78, 79.
Yes.
Abami that sing song. Obasanjo and Abiola international thief.
Confirm.
If corruption not dey, they not go call am that name now. Come be say your transman wey come from the same village with am. Carry am, put am for microphone, sing am, wax am, album am. We fit dey hear am till we die. You no fit clean am.
Confirm.
You get my point? Yes. Nobody don't get the privilege to reach record like that. When we say na person of international standing like Fela, now we come dey use am sing.
Yes.
So we know the level. That one na key thing for here. Number 2 when key for here na Boko Haram. Because he accused the president, not be say accuse, he tell am.
Yes.
That will not be accusation.
Yes.
He tell the man say, you be the chief security officer for this country.
Yes.
He said, I only state that as far as your responsibility as chief security officer of the nation is concerned, for Nigerians, a lot more needs to be done to enhance the feeling of security. Whether one talks of militancy or in the Niger Delta, kidnapping, and Boko Haram. But Boko Haram is a which require a carrot and stick approach.
Yes.
You see, Jonathan and zoology now read. Zoology now the study, not the study of animal. You get my point?
Yes.
Now he actually even hydrobiology.
Okay.
The study of plants when they born in water. You get my point?
Yes.
Now what did the man read with that? But the person when they talk to Rana, now person when be say become 4-star general. No Nigerian don't be 5-star. No Nigerian don't be field marshal.
Confirm. Only
4 or 5 Nigerians since the beginning of this country. Now don't be full general. And one of them, now Obasanjo. Obasanjo don't fight war. He don't go Congo. He don't do civil war. If you remember when this Biafra surrender, January 1970, now Obasanjo they surrender too. So he know war. He know how to deal with these kind of people. You get my point?
Yes.
So if to say na me be him, not be here. The man they fight Boko Haram. If I be Obasanjo,
yes.
This one, now I go tell him how I feel. See the fit fight.
But in talk am there say.
You don't tell him.
In talk am for this letter now. Say no be by this attack where they go attack these people.
No, not before yeah. Now yeah, you want to tell him.
Okay.
Me no say not be for this one.
Yes.
People not tell George Bush. Obasanjo no military pass American people.
No.
But American look at one, they say, okay, Afghanistan, maybe we scatter them. But they forget history. Say from the beginning of time, I don't say from now, no country don't succeed, conquer Afghanistan. America dey far, 2 world power 9 day before. America dey far, 7,000 kilometers away. Russia, that is the old Soviet Union, they share boundary with Afghanistan. They fight Afghanistan, they tire. They move comot. Now it lead to the Taliban. Now when they comot, the government will come enter, now Taliban attack.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So not be say for this Boko Haram thing, a very simple issue. All of us know where Boko Haram problem dey.
Yes.
all of us dey this country when another general talk for this same country after election say I will make Nigeria ungovernable. Obasanjo wan right now, he say he dey copy 4 people. All the 4 people wey he copy Alese Kweme when he found the party, and 3 other general. General Yakubu Danjuma, General Abdulsalami Abubakar, General Ibrahim Babangida. All these people sit down. They never think say Nigeria, they get strong mind reach for Nigeria, tell us how to attack Boko Haram. All the people wey dey fight Boko Haram, nobody for them wey dey fight Boko Haram be civilian. No one be politician. No. Now military people wey go school, wey go NDA, all of them go NDA, they come go Nigerian War College. Who thought say they no know how to take fight battle, make the person dey craze? Because if you wan follow me argue how to dey do film, come follow me argue. But for you to follow me argue, you get to be Tade Ogidon. Natural. You get to be Kislogoro. Tunde Kelani. But for somebody wey be novice, wey no know the difference between Betacam camera and digital camera and difficult camera, to come dey tell me how to point camera shot and defocus and unfocus, or edit on an Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, the person just dey make judgment out of ignorance.
Okay, sir, because of time, we could branch out another part of this letter. Now, our former president,
I don't want to defend president though. No. But this letter dey make person invest.
Yes.
It's just a letter that is a call to national duty.
Confirm. Our former president, we'll talk about your own letter in a couple of minutes now. Our former president accused our Jonathan.
Ex-president,
yes. Accused Jonathan. Okay, ex-president. Accused Jonathan of the fact, say, Jonathan.
Page 18.
Page 5 at the now.
Okay.
He accused Jonathan of the fact, say, in the politics of Jonathan they play now for him selfish reason.
Jonathan selfish.
Now, I can't state for you, say, for 2011, say, okay, make I read this place. He say, in exchange for promise or act of those non-PDP governors supporting you for your election in the past, or for one that you are yet to formally declare. It happened in Lagos in 2011 when Bola Tinubu was nocturnally brought to Abuja to strike a deal for support for your personal election at great price materially and in the fortune of PDP.
Now there Obasanjo for show say he no be statesman. You see, now there, you know say, I want to sing Bob Marley.
Yes.
You say once a man and twice a child, and you become twice a child. The first time when you be real child, and the second childhood now when you be old man. First of all, look this thing where he say 2000. I want to ask you, they live for Lagos now?
Yes, sir.
Tinubu tell you anything?
No.
If to say Tinubu tell us say vote XYZ every Lagos that time, we want good love for you, good love for me. We don't need Tinubu to tell us good love for everybody. Forget that level. But I want to get there.
Yes.
I want to take Obasanjo go back to 2004. 1999 Nigeria vote. Olufalaye win all the 6 states when they south. So Obasanjo become the first president in the history of Nigeria. When he sit down for president, he no win one word from him ward. He no win in local government. He no win in state. Talk less of winning in tribe. The Yoruba nation, the Egbe Omo Odua. In your constituency. He no win. 2004, all of us know the parole. The same people when they the ACN, APC now. ACN that time, there be AD, Alliance for Democracy.
Yes.
All of them home meeting say Egbemini, our brother, you know, Awo lo sọ̀rọ̀. Now we hear all the southwest agree say they go vote Obasanjo for president. Then the next election, the election where they come that was when they changed. Before Nigeria now, you vote governor then for president.
Yes.
Now because Obasanjo they can't change that one. Say you go president first before you can vote governor. So that they will vote Obasanjo. Obasanjo come win. The only person wey no gree, we all know the story for this country, was one stubborn short man from Lagos Island, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Yes. Because maybe waiting the others, they not see the real Obasanjo and Bola Ahmed Sian. I not be Tinubu fan no, but that point I say, yeah, Twale, this guy get sense. All of them immediately Oyo 4 Alao Akala. The other one before Alao Akala. They lost all the states. Oh, now Agagu come bah. Obasanjo showed them.
Even the present interim chairman
of APC. Yeah, Akonde. Now Akonde never lose. Akonde can support.
Yes.
BC Akonde.
Yes.
Now broom. Now they take driver come out. Broom. Obasanjo. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
He do the same deal for your personal reason. Who they run election for public reason?
Nobody.
Okay, maybe they talk and say, no, I can't serve Nigeria. I can't serve everybody. You can't serve Nigeria. Now me they chop your security vote. Now me they play siren, follow, pium. But we not forget that one. All this one they do, all these big men. That's what they be. Only God know one go before.
All right, Chairman.
Based on waiting, if you talk now,
yes,
about the party, about another talk say, Jonathan no loyal to PDP members. So I want to ask now, because in talk say they support other parties, yes, for other states for Nigeria. So now the party where they rule Nigeria now, I've been at the person they rule Nigeria, because I feel say if for example now Jonathan did for PDP and it don't say now APC candidate good for Anambra State or now for
Jonathan never get right for that one. Let me see. Now that's the problem. All these people they think they be God. You get my point? Yes. They give themselves they be God. Godfather, God, whatever. All the one to do when go die. On the serious note, we look and well. That is part 2 of what I call in English fallacy of Obasanjo letter. Because no fact. Number 1, Obasanjo mentioned Anambra State.
Yes.
What did Anambra do, Obasanjo? Somebody first thought Obasanjo an Anambra man. No. I hope I forget. Yes. That is the 120 of only. Yes. So why the Anambra? Listen carefully for Obasanjo time. One man run election. Anambra was maybe the only state when they not agree make for the southeast make the governor do 2 terms. In Mbadenoju, they remove him. Yeah. They bring another governor. That other one they do election. Listen to Obasanjo time. Una go wait for because it's a serious national issue.
Yes.
Make Nigerians not forget. I be student of history. We did there. Somebody win election. Somebody win election. His name na P2B. Obasanjo PDP declare Ngige. Within this country, Anambra. That same country, that same state, then kidnap. That is the senior special advisor to Obasanjo. In brother, same papa, same mama, kidnap governor. And the Uba brother, Chris Uba, yes, kidnap governor, force and sign letter of resignation. Kidnap. The first of all, the assistant inspector general went to do the kidnap. They don't sack him. Next to be the man die. Maybe the man will not talk the story. Maybe they talk ourselves. That one at the same state.
Yes.
All of us did this country say the first person when publicly declare for Jonathan for 2011. Maybe we tell ourselves true. The man name na Peter Obi. Peter Obi carry Jonathan for head, irrespective of whether or not, say whether na PDP or whatever or Afghan. Now Obasanjo does say candidates or not PDP candidates. May we look the states now. Agagu win election, the rig election for Ondo State. They say na him win. Court say not be him. For Obasanjo time, court say not be him. Government, Obasanjo government go throw the person when win. Come out, give police escort to the person when court say not be him. So if Jonathan decide say court say na him, he begin follow am. May we look at the states now. If not, it will say Obasanjo, good Lord Jonathan, Yaradua government, and their things gonna change. We for not get Mimiko. We for not get Adam Soshomole. We for not get this guy for Ekiti. Fayemi. When we tell ourselves the truth. All right. We for not get Rocha Sokorocha. No. We for not get Peter Obi when he stay there now. Sure. We for not even get this other man in the camp. What they call him? Abga, former Abga of Abia State. Theodore. Now guy they win.
Yes.
No, Biafra. The other party again. One party where they be formed before.
I think it's
I don't forget about the party of
APP.
I don't know the party when this man tell we where they call that. No, not the APP. The one where this man been formed. The former governor, we all use of Kano. They don't that party now newspaper now people want to tell us on TV. But you see that is the level when we supposed to. So all those things now the subsequent of Obasanjo past. Okay. So maybe this man know they follow that script now. Okay. You know they follow that PDP script. Yes. He also accused them of Bamanga Tuko. This is an old man. You know, you crack one joke for this PGTV one day, some time ago. You say, when you small, before you get born, you say when you small. As a 1970 something, Bamanga Tuko, now governor of Gongola State. That state not exist again.
Yes.
That president Adamawa and Taraba.
Yes.
That one 30 years ago. And that they tell us now we be leaders
of tomorrow.
The tomorrow now don't come. The Bamanga took us still the PDP chairman.
PDP chairman. All right, sir. Maybe we jump into this other matter, this very serious accusation again. Obasanjo. That's page 15. Okay. Page 15. It say if I read and this one go do too long, so make I just explain them sharply. Obasanjo accused President Jonathan of appointing a drug trafficking and money laundering criminal as Southwest PDP leader. That's not the person of I think Alhaji Kashamu. And if you check papers yesterday, the man said they talk say Obasanjo na your own political godfather. You understand now? But Obasanjo accused, and it's serious. They vex for here say how you go appoint that kind of person as PDP zonal leader. That's why that one means say in the future of Nigeria, drug traffickers and money launderers, I bet they call them, go turn top government officials before you know they're going to buy this thing for the country and everything. Now, if you check this thing now, Kashamu on his own talks Obasanjo now being your political godfather. Then Obasanjo now accused Jonathan of appointing this same man as leader of PDP. Which kind of thing if you say they happen for this matter with the ground?
You see, I like OBJ.
Yes.
But see, we thank God say social media, and the first of all, they online. Don't they teach us certain things?
Yes.
Some years ago, Benga Aruleba find out say the presidential jet when Obasanjo buy, brand new jet. The company when he make the brand new jet toss in a second hand. We did this country. We did this country. Bode George, General Bode George, yes. Navy Commodore Bode George. His Commodore is the same rank as a one-star brigadier general. Mm-hmm. The man, former governor of 2 states, becomes Southwest PDP leader because now your Obasanjo wants.
Yes.
When Wahala Shele, they put the man for jail. Jail, I not say they arrest him. Judge say guilty or not guilty, guilty for criminal offenses. So we grant a presidential pardon. Now, as we did here, so that they reverse the judgment.
They don't reverse it.
But they don't reverse it.
So say that they reverse.
Yeah, for that man's life, it cannot be my life. Yeah. Those 2 years, it don't exist. They not all say cancel. They say annulled. Nullify means it not happen
at all.
That is, if we say 2010, the next thing for the man like now 2013, 2011 and 12, it not happen. Okay. Now. The man they accused the guy of appointing the man as zonal PDP leader. First and foremost, constitution of the PDP. The president of the party, he not get political, he not get constitutional role for the PDP.
Yes.
But now the PDP leader, as we say, now be the highest office holder. But not being the chairman, not being the very professional chairman, not being the do election. When did you have we offer? May I tell this man? May I rewind this thing? You know, say he sit down. Appoint people, select people.
Yes.
Some people can go court for Ibadan. Over the fact say when you like come out, this Kashamu and co all of them go court. Many of them go court. You get my point?
Yes.
Over say this will not be this, will not be this. Obasanjo don't decide in your own small caucus. Because now you go be the king now. So any appointment when you make, when you not suit your own, now be all these ones so. Because all of them be T people. I don't like not burn out for this country. For this our country, people when get criminal record for US, some they be governor.
For sure.
Some they be this, some they be that, some they be that. We dey see am. But you see, now when you know dey their own side of the curtain, now they will begin blow whistle. Now the person wey dey call now, the man don appoint zonal leader for Obasanjo backyard when Obasanjo no gree, and they dey write am for here. He say it is instructive. Me dey look for whether dem sen ten ce am or dem no.
The Kashamu.
Yes.
No, he talk say for the letter. He talk say Kashamu run go UK.
Yes.
Go the state. Say the other people then judge them, come convict them.
Yes.
But Kashamu take off go UK go stay.
Yes.
Say the UK government come later arrest him.
Yes.
Say before they know the man don disappear come Nigeria. Nah, Jonathan come go appoint him.
Okay. Now can I ask a question? If you see there's wetin they call you, they wan appoint anybody for post, big post. This will not be government post.
Confirm.
Not be government post. So if they like criminal elements fit dey their own party. On a serious note,
That's true.
Unfortunately for us, the PDP thinks they are the federal government.
Yes, exactly.
The PDP not be only PDP o. For Lagos, APC not dey see themselves different from Lagos state government. Now lie is a in 2015, you see 2011 show them small lesson. Say Nigeria wise, we don wake up. In 2015, all this joba no go happen. All these tutotia wey dey use everybody do kalo so e no go happen because as they progress they go. Now all of us Oshomole think say somebody go record am when he tell somebody say go and die. But now God use Oshomole for that woman body. Oshomole not since that day Oshomole for my eye no vex na my governor. I like the mind, they try, but that day e just show say common sense not common. Forget the 2 million and everything. It just shows you people are supposed to be governor for this country. God never born them. May I quote one Ghanaian poet, Inena Ayikwe Ama. He said the beautiful ones are not yet born. And I be the truth. But all of us now beautiful ones because we get our iPad, we get our iPhone, we get our Android, we get our BlackBerry. And now we go chase whether any of these old analog people come out for state house. If not be we vote them for them.
Let's chase the crazy puppet.
All the puppets plus their puppet handlers, they go here we. All this one now, you know, because I'm in PDP, like PDP, if the PDP people like, now the way they catch with this, we know, we know now. This Kasamu, we don't catch her now. Make the man remove one.
Our chairman.
Yes, sir.
For
now they come here, I be yeah now me I don't ready for 2015.
Wow.
Okay.
So we must put in place right people in the right places.
Confirm.
Not be say because I be
Alright, so we call you activist now.
I don't be activist. Not be activist. Don't follow. Make you be activist. Activist now name when they give people when we say that they hungry.
Okay.
You don't know what they will do again. They'll come they vote for air. Maybe they go bribe people, they go bribe. You know, go they vote. When they don't pop up, rich government will deflate them with small dough. Okay. Or give them one small appointment.
Okay. So we call you corporate.
Everybody for those things are coming.
Yes,
All of us they wear khaki. So don't see my brand.
Liars
I
now.
don't know why.
That's why I look for the right name.
my comrade.
Yeah, no, my name na Don P.
Yes,
okay. If I become better person, maybe everybody for those things go change their name to Don.
Don, yes,
Maybe Don Ife.
Yes.
Don John. Don Dira. Na so na. Everybody clean my younger brother now. So I'm going in now.
Don.
No, comrade.
Comrade is the virtue.
Comrade.
Yes. Okay. Because we dey speak pidgin here.
Yes.
And worry abi anywhere where better pidgin that they speak am.
Yes.
Anybody when he hold grand na chairman.
Yes.
So that's why they call you chairman.
Okay. On that level.
Yes. Anybody when hold
no,
the side.
I agree.
Na chairman.
Yes, I agree.
And for this country, you hold your side.
I try.
You must be. You not be
I no dey beg.
photocopy. You not be photocopy.
Mbade.
Now for this matter, you get one thing when I want bring come out for this matter.
Yes.
We don't look this paper, go left, go right, look up, look down. Some time ago, it happened inside River State. It affect the whole country. We talk, everybody talk. This police commissioner for Rivers, Umbu, I don't know name.
Yeah.
That's all good today. The park police, every junction, every newspaper stand in a talk. He never to tell aviation minister. They said the woman buy bulletproof car. That one at the talk of the blah blah blah. We talk. And the next thing we see now we say Obasanjo write letter. you see as say na game when these politicians they play with the masses. Abi how you see this kind matter?
If you do video game, you go be like say this one na game.
Okay.
You be like say okay, this people move distract this small. Maybe add one drama. Okay, Stella na you. You buy bulletproof. We will talk. Hey, you know, so it's good to think that way. Mm-hmm. And as person when be say this country dey pain in mind, you ask yourself, say, wait, where will they go? How will they do? You forget one line now. When you all talk all these things, you forget say the pre-national conference.
Yes.
We never started to talk that matter. That one scatter.
We no do our own climb am.
Eh?
Now we do our own climb national conference.
They just para. But they don't know say they don't talk that national conference. Now only one person again. Person again, eh? Now status quo now. Now good luck.
Confirm.
Ebele, Jonathan again. Because I say, maybe we talk am, not talk we talk am. Eh?
And maybe we bury am.
Maybe we bury am. Thank you. Now because now they in charge. Now get the instrument of state. You know why Obasanjo dey write this letter and I beg letter? You don't be citizen of Obasanjo.
Yes.
Now be the problem. Now be all the problem. So, you know, I remember when my friend, my former big oga, Ogidiborigo, when the man at the top, he not be represented, but that time Goodluck not dey on top.
Done.
The moment Goodluck dey on top, you remember all the crime of Ogidiborigo. That's a week. Now leg, now the man take fly, now flying boat, now they come out this country. Now we dey see. I not see am as game in the term of say them plan the game, say like game plan they can. No. Now God, now they restructure this country the way you want them.
Okay.
When we say, they say when we what did be that about this in Afefe Tife? Say when we blow, foul nyash will open. By the time when we say person when we all believe, say force two people on us. Force Jonathan. First, Yaradua. When we know, say Yaradua, they terminally ill. We know.
All of us
know.
Yeah.
Obasanjo say, can it be? He carry microphone for rally for Abeokuta. Carry Nigerians they forget. Yes. Carry cell phone. He not call Yaradua. He call Yaradua for his sick bed for Germany. He even tell us, I want to call the man away for the sick for Germany. Now he ask her, Umaru, are you dead? Poor man, are you dead? The man is that don't laugh. Kaka. Obasanjo be quote am again. Can you hear? Is even laughing? Kwa. Now that man now be the person wey we suppose hold to ransom. Because now he get security report, just like he get all this Kasamawo report now. They will tell am say, oh, but this man, see oh, because everybody for the whole world know say Yaradua dey terminally ill. Wetin be terminal illness? Terminal means say they know say he go soon die. Out of vex, my person for Benito say out of vex, not to winch us for not giving 10 to some people. Now some people say, I'll give una leper.
All right, now make we jump into this other side. One strong accusation also dey here. He talks say he not talk as na on this one. He talks say in the here say President Goodluck Jonathan don dey build him own team. He call them snipers. You understand? He can't talk say if not, that's if say na lie say you know they do that thing. How come somebody will be say court don already convict say this person they guilty? How you can't go do again? We be say they can't release this man. They can't carry people now go even welcome the same man. The man reply now. Mustafa confirm.
Listen. I want to speak, just permit me. May I speak English? Only one sentence.
No checking, sir.
I wish this camera feel come close. I want to talk this one.
Chairman,
not verse, man, not verse, because when I read that part, for a man who live in Lagos,
yes,
for a man who was the deputy director of CLO, for man when be deputy director of Civil Liberties Organization,
yes,
for man when be former financial secretary of ASU,
yes,
for man when be say in 1994,
yes,
I run for Bush, they run for Benin, myself and Nemo Bassi. when they carry go Gashua. I go jail. They do something to my privates. I know if you talk. I come back. I put my life on the line as a small man who believe in this country. But the biggest mistake when the last government don't do, now Al Mustafa. I hate Al Mustafa as a man growing up because I see him as a person when either order to kill or kill plenty people. But at the end, since 1998-99, a period of 15 years, the Nigerian government no fit convince or convict Al Mustafa of any crime. Meanwhile, wahala dey Nigeria, people dey fight for north from Al Mustafa area. Ojukwu fight civil war. Civil war. When kill millions of people. Obasanjo did that since civil war. But as nation don't heal, they look for national reconciliation. In 1983, the government of Shehu Shagari pardoned Ojukwu. If not, Ojukwu did die when he died. If he died for every goes for exile. He came back. He even run for Senate for Nnewi. He lose. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Now, for 15 years, you could be able to put that in proper context. Now, I don't want to make that. Maybe we make that one clear. Say, I not go support Al Mustafa because personally, I suffer. But my personal suffer no mean say I not go see reason. Obasanjo at that point, if overlook in personal hate to see the larger picture of the Oyibo of the English when they quote things, say justice delayed is justice denied. A justice that cannot be achieved after 15 years of meaningless trial is no longer justice. It is punitive, it is punishment, it is retribution. Pikin when be 10 years old, the time when they arrest Al Mustafa. By the time they don't release him, he don't finish. Then when they did 10 years, maybe they enter GS1. He don't finish GS1, GS2, GS3. He don't finish SS3. He don't finish secondary school. He don't finish university. He don't do youth service. He don't start work. Pikin when them born that time, when be baby, now 15 years old now, he don't finish. He don't write SS1. Pikin when be 10 years old, you say he don't mature. Pikin when be 5 years old that time, he don't be 20, he don't be mad, he don't be mama now. If the pikin na Ahmed Yerima, Sani Yerima wife, if na 13-year-old wife of Sani, they will just say they marry another 15-year-old nana. 13-year-old wife mean say the time when they arrest Al Mustafa, they never born the last wife when Yerima married last week. May we tell ourselves true. Na no be Obasanjo arrest Al Mustafa. Na Abu Salami Abubakar na he arrest Al Mustafa. Let's tell ourselves the truth.
Yes.
Now Abubakar rule, they no sentence him. Obasanjo rule for 80 years, they no sentence him. Yar'Adua rule for 2.5, they no sentence him. Jonathan don't rule now, only 1.5 remain. Meanwhile, not be Jonathan pressure, not be him announce him. We call this one an allusion. That is a fallacy. That is a trying to read truth into that which might be false. Why is it which might be false? A fallacy now. It be like say it look like true.
Look like true.
Judges decide say release am. They go appeal. They say release am. All of them will just come together, sit down together, come begin talk together, say president say make we release am. If president they tell us make we release am, we mean president people for your carry call the keep for seat now. They don't release and they go. It don't make sense. The enormity, the hugeness of the problem pass the pepepe. Yeah. Not forget say 5, 6, 7 or 8 years ago, they don't release Sani Abacha Pikin.
Yes.
For the same matter. Every people when they involved, they don't release it for the same matter. Meanwhile, we will not forget to say they not accuse Mustafa say shoot anybody. They say the same people go shoot person. Meanwhile, the person when he talk say they send am make dem go shoot Sergeant Mshelia, Sergeant Rogers. He don free since 2000. Maybe the guy don born grandchildren now. That is the person when he do the crime, if there was a crime. So what I'm just saying is, for national reconciliation, we move forward. We did this country when they grant amnesty to militants in the Niger Delta. That place, I go Camp 5, I see what they do to children. You get my point? This one with the Boko Haram, they do so. Boko Haram make people verse, go conflagration. You know, but those people, they have to forgive them. Make this nation move forward. Some of those people that time, when they bag people for inside bush, some of them are presidential advisor today.
Yes.
So they fly private jet. So they vest. As I read they holler for, say they arrest them for Benin. Tompi, they fly, forget. You get my point? So maybe we leave our CB.
Now, before the man conclude, the man also states, say, I don't know why he talk these things, but he talk say, him na man wey no dey fear threats. He talk for the.
He no dey fear threats. I dey threat people now.
So me, I come dey wonder. He talk say na man wey no dey fear threats. Say and when say some people they go threaten in own people, make them come out, say make them go join APC. He state time say they go threaten in own people, make them go join APC. Then finally, before he conclude, he tell Jonathan say he no dey fear threat too. Say in they talk all these things, say because he don't pick pass that level of food. And they call the wonder with
I don't even tell you this. Read this letter way.
Confirm.
Some part OBJ want talk to Tinubu.
Yes.
You don't know how to talk to Tinubu. He says only wahala for Tinubu and Jonathan. He pack on the SIA. When did concern Jonathan concern APC? You know my boy?
Yes.
I tell one my guy, I just say they go APC. He say, you know, you see the banner before they introduce fencing now. You get my point? You get my point? Yeah. Now, so, on a serious note, Obasanjo through this letter, you know, that is by inference.
Yes.
It shows that the only person in the fear. Now, but I'm
okay. Our chairman, this matter, you like say 10 day for us to talk this matter.
I don't know.
So, he get one other area I want carry.
You know this letter?
He did the letter.
Okay,
when I want carry you go. Obasanjo talk say the wahala when they say PDP. He don't do meeting with them, try settle and reach one level. He can say make good luck.
Continue.
Make it just finish am.
Okay.
The way they write and say be like say make he agree to wetin those people want.
Yes.
Now wetin be the thing when those people want, because according to wetin Obasanjo dey talk now, first he accuse Jonathan say na system he be talk. But the way they behave 6 years, sorry, the way they behave now, e be like say he wan go for second term. Now he dey talk say why Jonathan no agree with these governors based on their settlement wey they suppose settle, and of which all of us know wetin the demand dem be that time.
Wait, now look at those governors wey. Last break. Call the state. Adamawa.
Yes.
Second term governor.
Yes. Niger.
Chief servant.
Yes.
Second term governor.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Sokoto.
Wamako.
Yes.
Second term governor. Okay.
Adamawa.
They don't call Adamawa.
Okay, we don't call Adamawa. Rivers State.
Rotimi. Second term governor.
Yes.
Next.
Who did it again? Yanko is
no, Lamido.
Lamido, yes.
Second term governor.
Yes.
Go ahead.
There be 5 now.
5 now.
No, there be 7. 2 not move now.
Okay.
2 not move.
Who again did there now?
Whoever they be.
Yes.
I don't want to make you just realize one trend. All of them. Now second term governor.
Okay.
Thank you. Now let's go back. I want the one. Just the one. Relax. No shaking. No are you? 2011. You know the people who contest for PDP governor presidency. Number 1, Peter Odili, second term governor, of Rivers State. Number 2, Donald Duke.
Yes.
Second term governor of Cross River State. Number 3, Atta. Second term governor of Akwa Ibom. Number 4, Yaradua. Second term governor of Katsina. When they reach second term, their first thing now to attack president. That one are normal. Obasanjo when they talk so in 2004, all of us know say they even nearly forced and down for Atiku. Yes. Because all the second term governor, all the governor don't say they want Atiku. Yes. They don't go for convention. Yes. Baba Digwe for all of them. That's why I say when he come out, he don't win. I carry.
Bring the axe
come and say all of them. All of them. Who know Ibori before because say they did before. Okay, wow. This is the now pursue all of them, including I don't make you see the pattern. Now pattern. Now very normal pattern. Obasanjo when they talk and say they sack Babanga Tuko. I don't like Babanga Tuko, too old. PDP now they think even Jonathan said, how you go? I'm supposed to be 70 something, 90. The man now officially be 70 something, almost 80 something. He doesn't go 80 because he became my friend. I mean, it don't be 50 something. Maybe we don't lie to ourselves. We don't take. We don't take. Maybe we don't lie to ourselves. But we cannot every day they change their party leaders. Obasanjo alone. You know how many people they sack when he be this is for PDP. Solomon La, Barnabas, Gemadi, the council, Congo, join another party, run for presidential election yourself against this thing. Audu Ogbe, Amadou Ali. Amadou Ali is understandable because people don't know, say, Amadou Ali and Obasanjo, they be like 5 and 6 from 19 Brigidino date. When in 1978, the students of Nigeria was a former executive of NAS, but NAS, when it bring back to NAS, National Union of Nigerian Students under Segun Okeo, was banned when Colonel Amadou Ali was the federal minister or federal commissioner of education under Obasanjo. Now it lead to the first killing of mass killing of Nigerian students for riot for Kanu, for Ife. In Ife starter, yes. It was called the Ali Must Go. The Ali when we fight in this when Nigerian students fight in 1978 under Obasanjo that Ali must go. The next come become Dr. Amadou Ali, chairman PDP. So maybe we don't look at. So if this man just only sack only one, you don't want sack too plenty and they do Baba Che.
Now if we go use this language, which means say these two people they don't get working relationship. These are Ali and Obasanjo from day one because Obasanjo actually
he write down plenty times.
Yes, he accused Jonathan of one particular thing. Yes. Say African governors come meet am. Say Jonathan they beg them, say make they help and beg Obasanjo, make him help them resolve this crisis when they happen for PDP. So he say him and that same Amadou Ali come go meet Jonathan for Aso Rock. Say Mr. President, African leaders they beg me, say you say make them beg me, make I come solve this crisis for PDP. He say Jonathan come blatantly deny. Say na lie o. You know, he talk about the letter.
I know.
So he come dey talk now say, well, he no dey surprise say Jonathan deny. Say because na so Jonathan dey deny so many things wey he dey always dey ask am. So now with all these things, we check all these things now when this man write for this letter. We go talk now say this man get personal beef.
Na the beef
for Jonathan abi he wan really help this country.
Let me quote one of my people wey comment on my letter, my mock reply to
Nadia
say me I mock say na maybe
Nadia we dey go now.
He say I never knew Obasanjo could go this low. You see this 18-page letter on a serious note, the meat and serious issue for this letter no reach 1.5 pages.
Confirm.
I need to say this man a statesman when he no allow in personal anger. I don't want to say over Sabi because we know Obasanjo. He is very direct, very brash. He talk the way he like.
So, but what to be brash first?
And I don't tell him say they talk the way he like. And now one of his major advantage with that too. You get my point? but e get where you go reach when all this small wetin concern me because I know you and Amado Ali go meet this and one. You know say the man carry pen just like say good luck before it is too late. There is problem in the land. I've decided to write this one to you now. I don't write this one because I very write 2-3 before you no reply.
Yes.
But this one I go write down to you, then I go publish and make people know say, although you say now maybe one of the people don't influence you pass for life, wait till you they do so, you not good.
Yes.
Number 1, corruption. These people corrupt, take care of them.
Yes.
Number 2, Boko Haram. Boko Haram, you know, not fight them.
But you mentioned these things on the left.
No, where the letter for square? No, let me say not call name. Yeah. Where the letter for square? Now the man now when he drafter. He drafter like person when you use the word just now. When you get personal beef. Now, Obasanjo won't tell us where the problem for this country is. Obasanjo know the problem.
So, as somebody
he don't know the problem. Number 1, Obasanjo don't see the light.
Yes.
Bakam. Number 2, you know they enter boss. Bakam. Number 3, you know they buy for market. Number 4, you get security full everywhere. You know they fear robber. He talk and say no they fear now.
Yes.
Me they fear. They're not true now. They kidnap Obasanjo. The kidnapper they crazy. you know. Chikana, all the things when they affect Nigeria, no one they affect Obasanjo. So Obasanjo not people say know this problem in this country. We all know the problem. If for good for him to tell this man say see how you go do and see how you go do and see how you go do and he know this one now. He just talk all the problem. He saw the man. Tell am say he dey weak. He tell am say he dey lie. He tell am say I know say you dey lie before. I know say you don first deny before. I know say you talk this one before. I know say no, not be so now.
Okay.
No matter how wetin the fact say Obasanjo ugly. None of us go talk am for this paper say our president ugly. Yes. But we dey talk am say Obasanjo ugly because no be president again because the man ugly. Na the level. So when the man go dey where he dey as president, we go fair hold am say na president, commander-in-chief of the armed forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Na be important person, not be we.
Okay. All right. Oga, I notice say you dey provoke. We go on break now. We'll go on break. But when we come back from that break, now we want to discuss your own letter. And your own letter talks say my reply to OBJ if I were GEJ. All right, for those people where they watch us right now, make una just run enter Facebook, muna follow, muna go check Don Pedro Obaseki on top Facebook. When you check him on top Facebook, you will see the letter. Oh, they talk. I think that yesterday, I did first day, another letter there on top. Yesterday, I published that letter on top Facebook. So when we talk about the letter now, you self go understand where we they come from. We'll go on break. I don't know that you get anything to talk before the break.
No wahala. We'll continue to talk the matter them as they happen for inside this country. Yes. Na Pidgin TV we dey and here we go they talk them. Our guests still dey. Make una not go. Na break time we won't go. So he go come back and we go fire more inside this same matter of these 18 pages. The matter na 18 pages. So make una know say not be small matter. We'll continue to the talk.
All right, Dira, Alpha.
All right, then we go break now. Maybe come back. We get plenty things on top of this matter, especially the reply where Don Pedro writes, and that part is very important because you know I say I wonder why this president Goodluck Jonathan never replied. All that could go trash him out when we come back from the break.
All right, when I don't hear I'm medicine learn to just so wherever you did. No, so we call us from Canada. I hope say you still follow us, my brother, and God and God bless you. So other people we don't try call us since whenever fit reach us. We thank all of you now. Make una no hesitate to call. Everybody they involved for this matter, not be just one person. But it go dey very important to make you safe. As we dey talk now, you suppose don't even go read the letter. The letter dey online. Anybody fit download them, check out. So that when we dey talk the matter, it no go dey new to you. Because we no go. If we decide to read the full page of all this letter, we no come out for this place today. So my people, we greet you now. Pidgin TV now. My name is Worry Boy.
Yes, so now John Odiete be my name.
And my name is Dira the Diva.
And we send a God good package and a blessing given her. We dey come back. Live and direct.
Yes. Before now, yo. Now, yes. Boss. Now, more than be this. I just chill with Pidgin TV. Pidgin TV. You don't understand?
Pidgin TV. Just the talk.
My name na Moji Etayo, aka Mama Jasco. Una dey watch Pidgin TV. Make una not touch that dial. Feel
it. Pidgin TV, just the talk.
My people, how una dey? This na Joy Melu. Una dey watch How Far with Efe Worry Boy on top Pidgin TV.
Pidgin TV, just the talk.
Yes, so this now for my journal chopping volley on Pigeon TV. Just the talk.
Pigeon TV, just the talk.